at Disney's Magic Kingdom. And I heard that there's a new treat, so you know I'll be here. There's 3 new Dole Whips. There's an up one, which is the one that I'm getting. It's mango flavored and it has chocolate like candy as a balloon. There's the Rapunzel one that's lemonade flavored. I don't really like lemonade, but my sister does, so I'm sure we'll get that. And the last one is Hei Hei from Moana, which is raspberry and pineapple flavored, which I actually like the sound of that one too. But right now, let's go try them out. So the one that I'm going to get is Adventures Out There Cone and Anti-Gravity, which is here in Tomorrowland. The cone, it looks like it cost $5.29. Okay, so I just got my Adventures Out There ice cream, and it looks a little bit different from what it did in the picture. It has this thing on it. It's just a balloon made out of white chocolate, which I really love white chocolate, so I'm not complaining, with little sprinkles inside. It tastes like mango Dole Whip, basically. Which, I mean, it is a mango Dole Whip. It's really good. I'm gonna try chocolate.
Yeah. Let me take like this one spot that looks like it's gonna drip. Oh my gosh, that's so good.
It actually tastes good together with the ice cream, surprisingly. Like, at first when I bit it, it was like okay, and then like aftertaste was amazing.
Give them a nibble.
Alright, that's it. No more treats.
Do you like it?
I've never liked white chocolate though. It tastes like feet.
Why does everything taste like feet to you?
That's like my go-to insult. I have to think about this for a minute though. No, it tastes like what I think soap would taste like.
Soap?
You know when you look at soap but you don't think it looks like soap, so you don't think, hey, this is going to taste like soap. But then you see the texture, you're like, oh, the texture feels like it would taste a certain way, and that's what the texture of soap feels like it would taste like.
Okay, are you saying soap looks like it would taste like white chocolate, or are you saying that white chocolate tastes like soap?
I'm saying that white chocolate tastes what I think soap should taste like, which is not very good, but it has the same texture.
Okay, there you have it.
Okay guys, now we're going to Fantasyland to get the Rapunzel one for my sister.
Oh my god, it's Winnie the Pooh! Lily, it's Pooh!
I love you, Pooh!
Lily, you got Pooh on your clothes.
Yes, I do.
I got Pooh on my clothes too.
Oh, I think we got like a little bit of Pooh right there.
Hilarious. Hilarious.
Yeah,
you got a little Pooh on your
really
shirt.
Okay guys, now we're at Fantasyland. If you go to the storybook treats, that's where you'll find the Rapunzel one. So this one is called the Lost Princess Cone. And it is also $5.29.
Thank you.
Thank you. Honestly.
Let's see this.
Okay.
Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna eat the flower.
So this Dole Whip is lemon flavored and it has edible flowers.
Eating the flower first.
What does it taste like?
Like a flower.
Yeah? Tastes like a flower?
No?
I'm gonna have one petal.
Okay.
Tastes exactly what you would think a flower is.
Oh yeah, it does.
It tastes like grass. When you take a, you know when you take a blade of grass and you eat it as a kid?
No?
No.
I never did that.
Or like the grass flavored berry bugs that are for beans.
Yeah, it does.
I'm happy. It tastes really good.
So what does it taste like? Does it taste like lemonade or just lemon?
Well, it tastes exactly like what frozen lemonade tastes like.
Oh, okay. Can I have a taste of it?
I don't know. Can you?
Yeah. Oh, come on. May I have a taste of it? You go to
From
school.
there, it's melting.
Oh wow.
I would ask for a taste,
It's
but I
really
don't like
tangy.
lemonade.
Yeah, it tastes just like lemonade.
I'm getting it everywhere though, and I don't like that.
It's so sour and tangy compared to the mango one. Like,
Yeah, I didn't like the
was
mango one.
Oh, I love the mango one.
I don't like mango though.
I love mango.
Yeah. Here's our Rapunzel tower and the Rapunzel ice cream cone. You eat weird.
That's how I always eat.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so the next one we're going to get is a Hei Hei from Moana, which is going to be in Adventureland, where you usually get the other Dole Whip. This store behind me is where they would sell the pineapple Dole Whip, and also where they're selling the Hei Hei one.
Have you tried it yet?
Yes, I like it.
Yeah, alright, good.
Oh, look at this! Thank you. It's so cute. It's so
Probably
cute.
dipping into it too.
That's stinking cute. So this is the Hei Hei cone,
Yep.
and it's raspberry on
It
top.
looks like a fruit on foot.
Yeah, it does look like a fruit
Roll-up.
by the foot or fruit roll-up type thing. It's got little eyeballs and pineapple here, raspberry there, and
Same kind as that one.
this is like sugar. It's not like chocolate or anything like the other one.
Eat it.
That's delicious. I mean, this
Can I
tastes
try?
like
What
regular.
about the raspberry part?
Yeah, this tastes like regular pineapple Dole Whip, and
Wait, how does the raspberry taste?
well, these are
Snatching that
really
up.
good. The raspberry's the best.
I don't want to try it.
So Lily, what do you think about it?
It's really good.
Yeah, I think
I like
this one's my favorite out of the three.
Have a slurp.
Yeah, go ahead. You probably like the raspberry. It doesn't taste like feet.
Everything tangible tastes like feet.
Pretty good. Yeah, did you taste the raspberry part?
No, I hate raspberry.
You don't know that.
Fine. Okay, what'd you make me endure?
Raspberry is delicious.
I know, right?
You're just eating all my pineapple.
Yeah, because you made me have raspberry on my
the bottom
tongue.
before the top. It doesn't work like that.
Who's gonna eat this top?
Lily, do you want to eat the sour part? Or it looks like it has sour sprinkles on
It
top.
does. I don't really like.
It's so cute. Oh, this is adorable.
Oh.
Yeah, you and your
Oh.
sister can share that. I don't like those things. Lily's eating the all sugar eyeball.
We're actually looking at raspberry from the all sugar eyeball.
It's so sour.
It's sour. Poor baby.
It's very sour.
All right. Do you even like that? Yeah. All right. So you guys have extremely different taste buds. Isabel likes the lemonade or like the lemon one.
Just tastes like a
and
Sour Patch Kid, like those little strands.
Yeah.
It's like making my
I
eyes
don't
go.
really like sour patch.
Yeah, I don't like sour things either.
I love Sour Patch Kids. Next to the little cookie dough bites.
Oh, this is so good though. I love this. I love the mixture of the
Wow.
two. Stop eating just the pineapple.
I don't like
You
raspberry.
monster. Which flavors do you like the best? Out
The
of the three, tell me
flavor-wise?
the order that you like them to not like them.
Well, I'm gonna put the lemon one on last. Mostly because one, I didn't try it, and two,
Oh, you didn't
I
even
don't like
take
lemon.
it. Well, you can't say something's last place if you didn't try it.
I
That's
know
not
I
fair.
can't.
That's not fair to lemons.
I still don't like lemon.
Did you like the lemon one?
Yeah, that was my
Yeah,
favorite.
You loved it. It was your favorite of the
I
three.
think
I like it better than the pineapple Dole Whip.
Oh, okay.
I think I like this one the best out of all of them.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
ones.
This this one's my favorite too. But I mean, the pineapple is classic, and then the raspberry is really good with it.
Pineapple's
so.
fine. Lemon's better.
Yeah,
But the Sour Patch thing,
yeah.
This one's still eating the bottom before the top.
No, it's no.
Okay, guys, now that we've eaten all that sugar, let's go ride Big Thunder Railroad.
Guys, loving it. cowboy.
That was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the snack video. Well, thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more footage like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Here's a little bonus video to go along with it. I got home and I'm here with my two friends and I got a package from Aunt Darla, so let's open it.
What is this?
Let's see.
Ooh, it's a hat. It's the sorting hat.
What?
Woo!
I think you are.
Hufflepuff!
Ooh, there's bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap.
I know. What is this? What is this?
What? Can that be for me?
That's probably for
It's
you.
for you guys.
Oh, good.
It's for you. I was just like, yeah.
Can I see? Can I show what's really funny about
Wait,
this?
wait.
I literally just got Starbucks. I just came from Starbucks. That's when we got your when we
Yeah,
picked
some of the
this up.
stuff is for different people.
There's also
like this says it's for me. Like it says Lily.
Thank
This one
you.
it says it's for Dad. It's sticky notes.
Thank you. I will give that to Daddy.
There's also this is for
Oh
Jade,
my
this
gosh,
is
there's
for
so
me.
much stuff in there.
This is for me. As soon as I can take this sticker off. Yeah, also this is
Whoa!
Oh my. Oh.
How did they know we like coffee?
I know because we did the Starbucks.
We did, and
video.
you were working
I was
there.
like, how does she know? It's.
I mean, I think it's pretty well knowledge that you love coffee.
I know. Thank you, Darla. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, I love this. I am literally going to use it right now, even though it's 5 in the afternoon. I will be drinking coffee.
She gave me a Coach purse.
Whoa!
Ballin' Jade.
Fancy.
Do you want to show? That's
Yes.
amazing.
Thank you so much. Like, oh my gosh.
Whoa!
Yeah, that's extravagant. Is this for real? Did she really get you? Oh my gosh.
You remember last time there was that other?
Do you have the other
Like,
Coach
whoa.
one she gave you? This is Aunt Darla, thank you.
And this is,
This is
a really
over
pretty
the
color.
top.
It's like a really pretty color.
Mom.
Hey.
Oh my
Mom, this
gosh.
looks like your
It
hair.
does. That one looks just like my hair. There's my hair.
Ooh.
Wow, you guys, that's wonderful. That is absolutely wonderful. Oh my goodness. Yeah, to Isabel.
Probably.
Oh my god.
We all get Coach bags.
What the heck?
This is probably
This is like an Oprah moment, and you get a Coach bag, and you get a Coach bag, and
We
you
all
get a Coach bag.
bags.
Absolutely beautiful.
Wait,
Well,
Mom.
let's see what
And
this
it's
is.
for you. So.
Somebody knows I need to be caffeinated.
Mine.
Oh yeah, you know I actually need a coffee grinder, so this is awesome.
And it
Because
came
my
with a
other one is
spoon.
broken. That is a really nice one too. This was amazing. This is a really nice
No pop.
No.
gift.
No.
Thank you, Aunt Darla. It's awesome. I love it so much.
It's like strangled.
Oh, this is a competition now. Let's go.
Okay.
Where is my box?
It sounds like you're breaking people with like a bump.
Oh, I think Dee Dee's winning. She's almost at the end. Yep.
Oh no.
We have a winner. We have a
We
winner.
have a winner! I'm done!
Yep, Dee Dee won. But
dare
in a
you.
very close second was Jade. Who was thinking outside the box with the stomping. I like that.
Thank you, Aunt Darla!
Not a bubble wrap.